Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the SUNMEG brand. This is their LED garage light. This is their 80-watt series. Now this is a super bright light, 80 watts. We're going to measure the power. Has a total of 360 LED integrated circuits on there. Comes with an instruction sheet and a dual clip. We're going to show on the back how you can use that as a safety hook and a warranty card. The company offers a 1-year warranty, but if you register and become part of their club, the VIP club, get an additional year, so you can get a full 2-year warranty on this. The beam angle of these LEDs is 270 degrees. They're all surface mount and they all have cooling through the back. We're going to show that, the aluminum. Most of this is made out of solid aluminum, so it's lightweight, and PVC material. So it's safe and light. It has a unique dusk to dawn sensor we're going to test that you could switch the power on and off within 2 seconds, and then it'll have a sensor to have this come on when it's nighttime and shut off when it's daytime. It is a balanced white light, 6000 K, so it's towards the really white light, not the warm light, and it is deformable by 120 degrees. And if you didn't know what that is, that means you could change the angle right here. And that's nice because as you use this, the back has a real simple Edison E26, E27. You put that on your house wiring that has a typical Edison socket on there, and you're all set. Very simple. So you could change the angle of this, as you could see, and that's nice because then you could really direct this to the area so that you can balance the light and get a lot of square footage of this. It has these nice bushings, as you can see right there. Let's put an extra light in there so we can pick it up. There's the bushings right there, and the clips for the included little backup safety that's included. That's nice. Now, some other features are these LEDs will last for 50,000 hours because they're cooled off properly. The angle change that you can deform this goes up to 120 degrees for each one of these 3 adjustable heads that are on here. So we're going to power this up, and we're going to first measure the power of this and see how many watts it's consuming. So I have it plugged in. It's very bright, so it's going to overexpose the camera. So we're going to just turn this down like that. And let's take a look at the power on here. I have a watt meter, and it's showing it's only drawing 61 watts. And it's very bright. I'm blinded right now. Now there is a button on here that activates the light sensing mode, and you hit that button right there, and now it should be in the light sensing mode. So if we were to simulate nighttime here, it should come out automatically. So let's test it out with the studio lights. Let's remove the lights, and you can see it already came on because the lights were lowered. Now let's see if we can bring the lights back on, and let's see if it shuts itself off, and there it goes. Now it shut itself off. So I'm simulating daylight, and then when I turn the lights off, it simulates nighttime, and then the light comes on. So that's nice. That way you could use it. You could use it essentially anywhere that you want to have automatic dusk to dawn light, and that could be outside by a garage, and the light will come on automatically when you need the light. That's a nice feature. The sensor for this feature is right by the switch, so I could block the light, and that's what's going to enable the night mode right there. So it's actually right by that little switch. Now you can disable that mode, and then it becomes a normal light. So I've had the light on for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to do some thermal testing right here. I want to show how its unit is cooling itself off. So I have a little thermal gun, and I want to show you that it's 92 degrees right on the back of the LED. There's the 97 degrees. And if I go to the front of the LED, I get about the same 90, 89 degrees. So what that's telling me from an engineering point of view is that the cooling openings right here that you see and the aluminum material, the LEDs are connected to this thermally, and the heat is being dissipated, and these are running cool. I mean, 90 degrees is nothing for an LED. LEDs start to fail at about 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is telling me that this is designed properly, and these will last a long time because of that cooling factor. So I do a simple lux test here. I can't measure lumens, that's quite complex, but I have a lux meter, and this lux meter I have set at 1 foot away from the light, and we can measure the lux. Let's take a look at it right here. 3560, 3500, 3540, 3550. So that's a lot of lux at 1 foot, and basically I have the sensor in the center and not even on the sides by the light. So just to give an example of how bright the SUNMEG deformable LED lamp is, I just have it in a lamp in my living room, and I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn all the lights off, and we're going to see what it does, because this is a really large atrium ceiling that really shows. So we're going to turn the lights off, and then we're going to just put the SUNMEG light on. Okay, we're in darkness right now. Let's turn it on. And there you go. It's basically illuminating the whole tall ceiling. Now there's a blue cast there, that's just the camera. By my eye, it looks like it's perfectly balanced white light. It looks like it's lighting up the whole ceiling, basically the whole room, from top to bottom. So that's how bright it is. Just imagine this in your garage. Pretty amazing. So what's my overall opinion about the SUNMEG brand LED garage light, 80 watt light? I like this product. It only drew 60 watts, so it's very efficient, and it cools itself down nicely as I demonstrated. It's super bright with the 360 LEDs on here. That dusk to dawn sensor worked flawlessly, and that's really nice. 9600 lumens. I showed how bright it was in my living room, and I measured the lux of this at 1 foot. This is a great value, and the fact that you could change the angle of this deformable just like I showed and allow you to disperse this wherever you're using this light. This is a great product, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.